Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are fine. Let's start our today's social studies lesson. Students, today we will do the reading and explanation of page number 47. And here in this page we will read about solar pumps, dams and barrages. These are the sources of water. So let's start the explanation. Solar pumps. Due to shortage of electricity in Pakistan, farmers are now using solar pumps. As we all know that there is a shortage of electricity in Pakistan, due to which we are facing load shedding from many years. That is why farmers are now using solar pumps instead of electric pumps. So what are solar pumps? Solar pumps use energy from the sun to bring underground water up to the surface. Solar pumps are the pumps that use solar energy or the energy from the sun to bring underground water up to the surface. They use it to irrigate their farms and in their homes. So the farmers use it for two purposes, for irrigation and secondly in their homes. Irrigation is the supply of water to the crops through canal system. Though the initial cost to install solar pumps is very high, the benefits to the farmers make it worthwhile. It is very expensive to install a solar pump, but it has many other benefits. Farmers in the northern rural areas of Pakistan are already using solar pumps. These solar pumps are mostly used in the northern rural areas of Pakistan. Moving to the next heading. The next heading is dams and barrages. Let me first tell you about the difference between dams and barrages. Here you can see the picture of Tarbela Dam is given. So what is a dam? A dam is a large structure that is built on a fast flowing river for the storage of water. But there are also many other uses of dams. Dams are used for irrigation, for the generation of electricity, to avoid the risk of flood, and so on. Here you can see the picture of Sakhar barrage is given. So what is a barrage? It is a smaller structure that is built on a river to divert the water of the river. It is a single purpose project and it is only used for irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to the fields or crops through canals. Let's do the reading now. In the northern part of our country, we have fast flowing rivers. Most of the rivers of Pakistan are located in the north of Pakistan or in the northern mountainous area of Pakistan. Imagine the power and weight of so many millions of liters of water pushing towards the sea. Dams have been built on the large rivers to store water and to slow its movement toward the sea. As the northern part of Pakistan is slightly higher or upper, that's why when the river water flow towards the sea, then the river water flow with much power and force. That's why dams are built on the mouth of the rivers or in the upper part of the rivers to store water and secondly to slow down the movement of the water towards the sea. Dams are built on the upper part of a river when it is flowing fast through the mountain valleys. As I have told you, dams are built in the mouth of the rivers or in the upper part of a river where the flow of the water is very fast. Some dams are called multi-purpose projects. Multi-purpose projects mean used for many purposes. As I have told you, dams are used for many purposes. They provide a large reservoir of water for irrigation and other purposes. They also enable us to generate electricity. So, some of the purposes of dams are irrigation and secondly to generate electricity. The main dams in Pakistan are at Warsik, Tarbela and Mangla. These three dams are the main dams of Pakistan. The Warsik Dam is built at river Kabul, while the Tarbela Dam is built at river Indus. Mangla Dam is built at river Jhelum. There are smaller dams in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Upper Punjab, while there are also some smaller dams in Pakistan built in the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Upper Punjab. Another way of controlling the flow of rivers is by building a barrier across them. This is called a barrage. So as I have told you, barrage is a smaller structure that is built on a river. So we can also say that barrage is a barrier that is built across the flow of the rivers. Like a dam, a barrage has gates which control the flow of water, especially in times of flood. Like dams, barrages also have gates, and these gates are used to control the flow of water. A barrage rises the level of water in a river or canal so that there is adequate flow into the canals used to irrigate the farmland. So the main purpose of barrage is irrigation. It is used for irrigation. And irrigation is a process of supplying water to the crops through canals. Sakhar Barrage is built on the river Indus. Sakhar Barrage is built in the province of Sindh on the river Indus. With its 7 canals, it supplies water to about 25% of the total canal irrigated area of Pakistan. 7 canals originate from the Sakhar Barrage, and these 7 canals supply water to 25% area of Pakistan.